Hey everyone, welcome back to Pably, and in this video you are going to learn how you can connect your Razorpay application with Apollo application. So guys, Apollo is a all-in-one sales intelligence platform which can be used to engage prospects and customers and to drive more revenue. So many companies use both of these applications, that is Razorpay and Apollo. So Razorpay is used for collecting payments and Apollo is used for engaging customers and prospects. So the idea here is that we are about to set up an automation which will allow you to add your customers who are purchasing any product of yours from Razorpay payment page into Apollo application, so that you don't have to manually copy paste the details of your customer one by one from Razorpay into Apollo repetitively. So it will surely save your time and efforts and improve your productivity and efficiency. So now let me show you how this automation is going to look like. So this is how it is going to work. As and when you receive payment of any product from Razorpay, the same customer who is making this payment will be saved here in Apollo.io application automatically. Okay, and to make this happen, we are using Pably Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any kind of coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pably Connect account. So guys, please do check the link that we have in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pably Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will give you 100 free automation tasks for every month. Okay. After that, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pably Connect here like this, and here you have to create a workflow to start working. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have given the name to this workflow as add Razorpay customers into Apollo.io application automatically. Okay, now you can click here on this create button, and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. And on this page guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger is happening of any event, so it is saying when this happens, and the action is the response to the trigger, so it is saying do this. All right, so as in our use case, the trigger would be receiving of payment from Razorpay, and the action to that trigger would be is to add the customer who is making the payment into Apollo application. Okay, so first of all you have to set up your trigger here. So from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application, which is Razorpay here. Okay, this is Razorpay, select it, and now it will ask for the trigger event. So the trigger event would be payment captured option. Here it will trigger this workflow when the status of the payment is changed to captured. Okay, select payment captured, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, and it is used to fetch the details from any external application to here in Pably Connect. So with the help of this, we are going to connect Razorpay, and after that we are going to make a demo purchase from Razorpay payment page, so that we can capture the response of the customer, a demo customer here. And with the help of that data, we are going to move forward here in this automation. Okay. So you can read these instructions written here to make this connection. Let me show you how we can do this. So first of all, you have to copy this webhook URL from here like this. Okay, and then you have to reach your Razorpay dashboard. This is my Razorpay's dashboard, and here I am going to click on this settings icon on this left hand side panel. When you scroll down, you will find settings. Click on it, and on this page you will find this webhooks tab here. Click on webhooks. Okay, and here you can add a webhook by clicking here on this add new webhook button like this. And here you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pably Connect like this. Okay, and come to active events, and in this active events check boxes, you have to check this payment dot captured box. Click on it. Okay, and then you have to click on create webhook, and your webhook, you can see a webhook is saved successfully. Now as you copied this webhook URL from here, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. This means now you have to do a test submission, or you have to make a demo purchase in Razorpay on behalf of any customer, so that we can fetch those demo details here. Okay, so I'm going to payment pages, and I'm going to purchase a product from this page. Let me show you. Okay, so I'm going to use this web development course. Okay, and this is the link we got of the payment page. So I'm going to copy this payment page link and I'm going to open this in a new tab. Okay, so this is a web development course page. Okay, and here I'm going to purchase this page on the name of, let's say, this one. Okay, this is the email ID of the customer, this is the phone number, and let's say the name of the person who is purchasing is Nitin Sharma. Okay, the product name is this, and I'm clicking on pay. Okay, and you can see here I'm going to select this card payment option, and I'm going to fill test card details here. This is not an original card, so as you can see we are in the test mode and we are making a test payment. Okay, so I filled all the details. Now I'm clicking on pay. Okay, and you can see the demo bank page is loading up, and here I'm going to click on success, and you will see that the payment will be successful. Our demo payment will be successful like this. Okay, so the demo payment is successful here. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we capture the response, and in the response received section you can see we got the details of the payment here like this. So here we have the payment amount, the currency, the card details like these, and the details of the customer as this. Okay, and the name of the product also. So this is how you can fetch the response from Razorpay to here in Pabbly Connect. And now I want to save this customer into Apollo application. For that you have to click here on this action window, and here you have to connect your action application now, which is Apollo. So type Apollo here. This is Apollo. And in the action event you have to select create contact option. Then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and it will ask for this API key. So you can get this API key by clicking here on this here text. Okay, so as you can see I have already logged in here in my Apollo application. So when you are logged in, just click here on this here text. Okay, and this page will open up from where you can find your API key like this. So you can generate a key here also. I have already generated a key, so it is showing me this key here. So I'm copying this key and I'm going to paste this key here in this field like this. Okay, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, so guys, you have to open this key from here first, click on show key, and then copy this key. Okay, and paste it here like this, and then click on save. And now you can see we are connected with Apollo, and now it is asking for the first name, the last name, the organization's name, and the email address of the person to whom we want to save in Apollo. Okay, so we got the details of the customer here in this first step. You can see in the response received section. So I am going to map this data that I have received here into the next step. So we map things here because when you map things, what will happen after setting up this automation, as and when you are going to receive a payment, this data is going to change automatically and a new data will be delivered to Apollo. Okay, so to map the first name, just click here and you will find this Razorpay payment captured option in the drop down, and from here only you can find the name of the customer. Here in this drop down you can see this is the name, this is the first name. For the last name, use the same process. Find the last name from here. Here you can see the last name as this. Okay, the organization's name, so you can put the organization name manually also. I'm putting here via Razorpay. Okay, and now it is asking for the email, so find the email from the same place. From the first step you will find the customer email address as this. Okay, and the title is customer from Razorpay. Okay, so you can fill these things accordingly, and you can select the contact stage as cold or approaching or replied or changed, or so I am selecting here interested. Okay, so you can select the contact stage also, and if you have the website address you can put the URL or the address. Right now I'm leaving these things blank because these are not the compulsory things. Now let's check our connection with Apollo if it is working properly or not. So I'm going to click here on save and send test request, and a new contact will be added here in my Apollo applications dashboard. Okay, let's see what happens. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and you can see this is the response we have received here. Let me show you in my Apollo application. So I am refreshing this page here. This is the contacts page I have. Okay, and here you can see in this saved contacts section, we got a new customer added here named as Nitin Sharma, and he's a customer from Razorpay, and he came via Razorpay, and these are all the details we got of this person. Okay, this is the Nitin Sharma contact created here with all the details that we have mapped here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys, and we are done setting up this automation. And guys, you have to set up this automation, you have to make the connections and map the data only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when anyone is going to purchase any product of yours from Razorpay, the same customer is going to be added automatically in Apollo. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger, I connected Razorpay application, and with the help of this webhook URL, I collected the data of a demo payment here like this. After that, in the actions tab, I connected Apollo application and mapped the details that we got from the first tab, and our connection was working properly. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.